and all these parks border the river, and the parks are closed. Next time you see me, we'll be on the water. That was a good dive. Just hit the GoPro because it fell out. It's only like 98 degrees here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, we got a fish. All right. There we go. Rock bass. Just have a dandy of a time here on the old hometown river. GoPro. Oh, there we go. Finally. It's been a while, huh? Finally got another one there. Woo! All right, let's get him going. Of course, rat nest first thing. First thing. Everything. I'm failing today. Little rock bass. There you go. What's up? Oh, jeez. There we go. There we go. We got a little fish, finally. And that is what we're looking for. Just these little cute little sunny fish like that. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. That is an actual bluegill that time. Little guy. Little guy, micro fishing. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. We just got another one. That. Oh, that's why he was feisty. That's a rock bass, not a sunfish. Fishy friends, back in the river. Of course, I'm in this river because why would I go? Why would I go anywhere else? Oh, jeez! There we go. There we go. Oh, I saw him go after that too. Woohoo! Don't bounce around. Pretty little bass. He's a pretty little bass. He's a little brown. It's not smallmouth though, but you know. There he goes. Bite. Bite. There. Oh, geez, yanked it right out of its mouth. All right, back in the river. Ah, see, it worked. Little fish. Buddy, you got this.
Yeah. I'll eat glitter glue.
Thank you. Set fish. There we go. There we go. Got one. Bluegill, sunfish, panfish, fish. That's what they are. Hey, jump in. Yourself wherever you want, man. It's you're in charge now. You know what I'm saying? You go wherever you want. Fight. 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 There. Oh, geez, yanked it right out of its mouth.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Say it again. I'll whack you in the face. Okay. Alright, throw it now.
There we go. Fish on. Oh no. I get snag and a fish. Snag and a fish. Oh, snag and a fish. Ooh, the sun is right in my eyes. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. One of those spots you just throw in on the way down. You can almost always get fish. All right, let's go back up to the boat. Oh no, there's one on there. No, that's not. 3 cameras on his drums, just him playing, but the sound is really killer. I got ya. I got ya. Look. There you go, head down, bud. Head down. You just had to lay back. You want me to give you a shove so you go right under? Okay. Ready? Wait, oh, you're getting yourself going. Just lay down. Lay down, lay down, lay down. There you go, lay down all the way. Haha, there you go, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Hey, wait over there, I'm gonna go around. On it. Just throw it in the water. There you go.
This is probably someone's property.
What's up, guys?
That concludes today in the river. Oski got set free. Fun day on the river. Swimming, fishing, kayaking. All right, we out. I'll see you next time.